Hey, if you're looking for an ultra responsive gaming mouse, this is the Redragon Acc Pro model. The brain did send this to me. I've got it hooked up to my computer now. The main thing with this mouse is that it is for gaming, meaning it's going to have a very responsive snappiness to it. Has a processor in there. This is 8000 DPI. Let me give you a close-up so you can kind of see what this looks like. You've got 8 programmable buttons on this, okay? You've got your paddle here on the side. There's 3 buttons there. There's like a rubber ergonomic slot for your thumb. Feels really good. This fits perfectly into the hand. And then of course you've got your regular mouse buttons here on the top. Here's your wheel. And then you've got an additional 2 buttons up here. The nice thing about this is that you can do this wirelessly, which is what I have it set up as, or you can do it wired. This is also going to double as your charger. So you can plug this in and use it wired or wirelessly. So here is the little dongle right there. That is what you plug right into the side of the computer. Let me bring you up close. This is the bottom of the mouse. It is optical right here. We've got 2.4 gigahertz off and then Bluetooth mode. And then we've got our off on button. So we're going to go ahead and turn this on and we're going to go ahead and put it on 2.4 gigahertz, flip that way. You can see we are powered up. Now, when we go ahead and plug this in, watch what happens on the screen. Right away, you can see that it's plug and play, and you can see my mouse cursor right here. Super responsive, and then from there you can go ahead and make any internal adjustments that you want. Of course, this wouldn't be a gaming mouse if it didn't have the backlighting on it. It looks really cool, especially a lot of people game kind of in the darker environment, so this is going to be a really nice aesthetic to look at, but it's got everything that you need. I do some gaming, but I also use this for my regular PC as well. It just feels really good in the hand. And I've got some of the buttons programmed, just makes life a little bit easier. So that is it. That's the Redragon Acc Pro 8000 DPI. Got plenty of bells and whistles on this. Customize it however you want it. Definitely pick it up and check it out. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.